Hello everyone, today it's gonna be the Sticky Waterfalls. We're gonna hop off on the scooter, we're gonna ride for an hour to arrive at the Sticky Waterfalls, and from there it's gonna be interesting. Apparently the type of the rocks, it's kind of grippy, you have, and yeah, that's gonna be a nice day activity. So let's ride and let's arrive there and let's see how it goes. Okay, we just arrived at the Sticky Waterfalls. It's a big complex, a lot of cars at the parking, and you can see this is a small installation, some shadows, some restaurant looks like, and a few tourists around us. Not so crowded so far. Let's see if it's crowded at the waterfalls directly. Let's see the waterfalls. First one is just there, 10 meters, the second one 100 meters, 140, 160. And there is a stairs that goes down there. So I guess let's explore all of them. Okay, let's go each side. I'm on the bridge right now. And there you have the water falling. So there is some ropes there, because I guess it's too steep just after, and most of the people are just there on the side. But right now you have also an amazing view of the valley. So much trees. We are arriving on the second waterfall. So of course you can have some accident, because if you do not hold the rope you can fall, makes sense. And this is what the waterfalls looks like from there. So it looks like you can go up from the waterfall number 2 to the waterfall number 1. You have some ropes. And well, some people you're waiting a little bit. Not too crowded, but yeah. I will try it, I will tell you, but let's see the third and the fourth waterfall. You go down a little bit more and you land on the third waterfall that is on the left, and the fourth waterfall that is on the right. And this time is a little bit more people. This one's beautiful. Of course everybody's taking pictures. That's nice. But I must say this white roundish rocks are funny. Curious how it the texture of it. I'm gonna try that. Okay, we're in it. And yeah, this is a little bit slippery, though. It's very funny, those roundish rocks. But you can hold quite okay. I don't have any problem to stand on one foot. You can walk quite okay. Quite okay. So it's very sticky, for the record. It's very funny. Okay. I'm gonna walk there. There is a small path. Let's see a little bit. Sorry. Yeah, you can walk on it. No problem. Very sticky for the record. It's very nice actually. Well, I guess you can go till the second waterfall and after the first, etc. Gonna come back. Sorry. Well, on the way down, let's be a little bit more careful. But it's really sticky, huh? It's not classical rocks, so you can feel there's some grit, which is quite cool. This one is way more wide. Quite cool, huh? We are quite in the jungle this time. Huh? Okay, now this waterfall. So beautiful from there. This is full waterfall. We have a lot of ups and downs, some small trees. Very beautiful. Okay, just change myself, and that's it for this Sticky Waterfalls. Yeah, so to sum up a little bit, it's 4 waterfalls. It's a little bit touristy. There's some van here that you can see, some people that goes there by themselves, just like we did. It's quite okay. It's 1 hour drive. The whole drive is quite cool. And what you can hear right now, it's 4:30. It's just a reminder that it closes at 5 p.m. So be aware of that. The whole park and the waterfalls are closing at 5 p.m. And there's also a trail that you can do apparently. I don't know where's the start, and we didn't do it because we arrived on the afternoon. But if you arrive on the morning, that can be quite cool to do the trail, the waterfalls, and chill a little bit. Here it's quite cool, huh? There's some restaurant. You can chill here, lay down and do a sun bath. On the overall, it's quite a nice activity to do. I enjoyed it. So that was a good thing. And also, like, it's quite cool. Everything is free. We entered there, we didn't have to pay anything. There's toilets, there's shower, you can change yourself. Everything is free, except for the restaurant and all the water, chips that you would like. But apart from that, that's a nice thing. The only maybe downside for me is that I couldn't do a drone. But actually there's too many trees around, so that would be too complex and too many people, so the image, the videos wouldn't be that great, I think. So yeah, time to go back to Chiang Mai. Alright, see you on the road. Ciao!